About way to make money online. This is a strategy. It's not going to make you $10 million a month, although people have done it. But let's talk about, I was asking my office, what's the number that makes you excited if you had your own business? I said, they all agreed. That's even more. They agreed about 15 to $30,000 a month gets people hyped. Okay. So I remember making my first 10 grand a month online. I thought life was just amazing. And I remember, oh, I need that to see the Insta TikTok. So it's got to bring that so I can see my comments. So anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to get right to the point. I'm going to draw out a simple business that you can do in two ways. Now, some of you are going to say, oh, this ain't going to work for me because I don't know how to do it. That's the whole point of the live, damn it. People say obvious stuff. Now, by the way, if you're skeptical, you can keep watching, but you won't believe anything I say. That's why we call you a skeptic. Skeptics stay poor in general in life. Like Elon Musk says, it's better to believe in something and fail than not believe in anything and get what you don't believe in, which is nothing. So what works? So there's e-com, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, real estate, blah, blah, like name all the stuff that you can make money that you hear. There's AI, there's software. Here's the thing about making money. Cost of goods is a pain in the ass. So I own big companies. I own bodybuilding.com. You know, I've done physical products. I love physical products except for one thing. You got to warehouse them and ship them. And UPS costs have gone up, FedEx costs. If you get a global customer, it's hard to ship all around the world. So number one criteria, if you want to make $18,000 a month realistically, and by the way, disclaimer, because I live in America, we got to disclaim everything. Not everybody who watches this is automatically going to make $18,000. If you don't do anything, you will make zero. You could make less. You could make more. One of my private students is here on my shadowing program, flew in from Italy. He's making $1.5 million a month with a similar strategy. So you could make more, you could make less, or you can make the same. Isn't it funny that I have to put that disclaimer? Lawyers are like, you need to put a disclaimer. Tell everybody they could make more, less, or the same that you're saying. I'm like, whoa, that's about as genius as the disclaimer. Every time I fucking go on a website in Europe, it's like, hey, do you accept cookies? Oh my God, bureaucrats with that stupid warning. Number one, use a black pen. Don't bring race into this tie. You gotta bring race into this. A black pen. Okay, number one, low cost of the product. I've shipped a big couch to somebody. They bought a couch on one of my websites. It's at that, we charge them $1,000 plus $400 shipping. The couch costs $600 to manufacture. So they paid $1,400 and we only really kept $400 out of that. Huge cost of goods. Don't start a business shipping heavy stuff. What's better than low cost? How about no cost? So what's something you could sell online that has zero cost? Who knows? Name one thing. Zero cost. So you keep basically all the operations and marketing. Anybody know? Who knows? Are you getting me so I can see the Insta comments? Okay. Who knows? Somebody wrote knowledge. That's the smartest person I've seen on TikTok in a long time. Digital someone in. So put KJ on TikTok, put knowledge. Sell information. Did you know that the US has $2 trillion of college debt around education called the college system? $2 trillion. In the US, people have paid for education, people to talk to you, professors. You sit in a room, they talk to you, blah, 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 blah. And the total debt that US citizens hold right now is $2,000 billion. It's a huge source of income for the government. The government makes hundreds of billions of dollars a year charging 18 to 20-year-olds interest. Isn't that insane? So why can't you do that? Is the college system very good? Do you think an AA at a community college is giving people good education taught by a professor who's teaching a business class but never made money themselves? There's trillions of dollars spent on education. So why not sell something educational? Okay. Number two, use social media to get students. Now, you might doubt me, but I know a lot about this because I've done more than $100 million doing this strategy, more than $18,000 a month. Okay. Chris says, Todd, I'll pay you $1 million for one-on-one mentorship. Chris Thomas, DM me on WhatsApp. I have my private coaching program student here right now, one of them. I doubled his income. He's making an extra $700,000 since being in my program. Okay, let me see the comments here. So we're live on Insta. Okay. We got about 1,000 people watching across YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. Somebody said, is this like Andrew Tate model? I like Andrew. He's top G. Guess who's the OG? I may not be top G, but guess who the original gangster is? The first person doing it online. No hate on anybody else. Doesn't mean the OG is the best, but you're still the OG. Me. So I respect everybody. I like the poem. Well, loading this video. What happened? Did the internet go out?
Still live on mine.
Yeah, it's always a delay. Someone said, does this involve buying a course? You can buy a 5-day challenge from me later for $1, or you can just try it on your own from what I'm teaching you for free. Damn, Instagram. Lag on IG. Okay. Do you still see it on Insta?
Yeah, you're still live on IG on this one.
It takes a while. That's weird. Video paused. Okay. Anyway. Watch it on Facebook. Have Itzel watching stuff. It froze. Is it unfreezing? Why does Instagram have such a damn delay? I'm like, can you up your technology? Does everything have to be on 30-minute delay? People, I'm talking about shit and people are literally talking, responding to shit I said 2 minutes ago. Is this 1999 technology? Sometimes I'm worried about Facebook. It's such a powerful platform, just does weird shit. Okay, so we're back. Now, how do you sell knowledge if you're not knowledgeable? Who here's worried that they're not knowledgeable? I'll tell you, I was just with one of a woman in Utah. You saw her on my Snapchat. She's one of the top Snapchatters. She has a manager. Okay. She's making millions and the manager just manages her. So why don't you manage somebody else who has knowledge? You know how many people don't know how to monetize their knowledge? Dentists, doctors, plastic surgeons. You could help them write a book and then sell a course online. Personal trainers. How many personal trainers are in the world? Why don't you go to one and say, I know how to sell you online. You don't have to be the face of the business. Why are you so defeatist? What the fuck is going on with the world with defeatism? Jeez. What's your options out here? Get a job that you hate? Depression's at an all-time high because people 100 years ago, 200 years ago, they worked in the family business on the farm. They were happier people. You need to work in a tribe. Build your own tribe. You don't always have to be an entrepreneur, but stop being such a defeatist. Learn how to sell your knowledge or somebody else's. It's a $2 trillion debt in America. You can teach better things. Colleges will disappear except for the top ones. There'll be a Harvard, there'll be a Yale. Do you think there'll be a Sousa Pacific in LA charging $44,000 a year to get some crappy undergrad degree? I've had those people come work for me. They're like, I got an online marketing degree from some little school. I'm like, do you know how to run Facebook ads? Oh yeah, we had a 1-hour class on that. Oh, yay. Yay. You got $240,000 in debt. Good decision making, America. Good decision making. You're a smart one. You figured out how to put a kid in debt for $240,000, teaching them some architecture of business where you forgot to teach them the shit that makes money. Me and my business partner spent $1 billion on Facebook ads marketing our company. You want to learn for a community college, dude? You think I saw Duke University's $84,000 a year now. So you're going to be $250 in debt. Maybe you get some scholarships, but maybe you don't. You know, someone said, get a better mic if you're rich. I'm mic'd into Instagram. Sorry, TikTok. I don't love you as much. I got more people on Insta. I want you to hear the echo so you know this is real, Frank. This guy's bothered by the echo. He thinks the best information that you learn is the dude who has the best audio, as if that's how fucking making money works. You also think it's the dude who's dressed the best? The nicest three-piece suit. Shit, all the billionaires I know showing up in T-shirts. That's why it's like, yo, you have been fooled by how the game works. If somebody has too much of a microphone, they probably are. I'm out making money in my other businesses, you know? Okay. So, where are we? So, best business is one that has low cost of goods. Education is the best thing I know. Either sell something you know, if you know a foreign language. I've got a student doing $20,000 a month teaching people he knows how to speak Korean. So he does a quick class on how to learn Korean. He charges $1,000 a month. It's like a 3-month program. He has like 10, 20 students. He's making $20,000 a month. He's traveling the world having fun. He sells what he knows. You know that you know a language that other people don't know? Like, so if you speak any language, you're already a language teacher because somebody else doesn't know that language. People go, well, I don't know any languages. Well, you're speaking to me in English. Chinese people want to learn English. Germans want to learn English. Brazilians want to learn English. Put up a fucking course. Charge $50 a month. Start small. Money starts to come in. Motivation goes up. You wake up out of bed. You ever thought about waking up early? You know why people don't wake up early? Because they're not motivated. Money starts getting deposited from Stripe or Shopify. You start going, now I'm motivated. You know why people play video games all day? Because they're lost. I don't know one dude making money that really wants to play that much video games. Maybe he plays 20 minutes a day, but he's like, shit, fuck that. I'm going to go make money. Motivate thyself.
Selling your knowledge through online courses offers an incredible opportunity to scale your expertise and generate passive income. With online courses, you can reach thousands of students worldwide, providing flexibility for both you and your learners. It allows you to teach at any time from anywhere without being tied to a physical location or a strict schedule. The startup costs are low, requiring only basic tools like a computer and a camera. Moreover, selling a course not only generates revenue, but also positions you as an expert in your field, opening doors to new opportunities like consulting, speaking engagements, and partnerships. Most importantly, you're creating impact by sharing valuable knowledge that can improve people's lives. It's a low-risk, high-reward way to turn your expertise into a scalable business. This is your time. Click the link in the description.